uh, one, just one positive two digit integer, right? Two-digit integer, right? Integer, right? Now, three times, three times of 10 digit, three times of 10 digit, three times of one greater than one greater than once once digit, once digit. Okay, fine. Oh, if digit, if digit reverse, 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 then number formed um, is 7 greater than 7 greater than 2 times of original number. Fine. This is the question you have. I do agree. Find original number. Find original number. Right? This is. Okay. Now, one two-digit positive integer. 3 times of tens digit is 1 greater. Okay. So we can think it like this, that let let digits digits be x and y, right? So this is this x is 10 digit number, tens digit number, tens digit, and this is ones digit number, ones digit, right? Then number will be then number will be then number, yeah. Now you can see, yes, tens digit, x is tens digit number and y is ones digit number, right? Then the number will be 10x plus y. This is the number we have, right? This is number, original number. Okay. Now, three times of tens digit number. Three times means 3x. 3x, three times of tens digit number is one greater. One greater the unit digit, ones digit. Three times, three times of tens digit is 1 greater than 1 greater than, sorry, it will be 3 times of your tens digit is 1 greater is 1 greater by one's digit. So this is equation, right? 3 times of tens digit is 1 greater than one's digit, right? So we can write it 3x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 1 we found, right? Now the next it is saying, if the digit is reversed, right? If digit is reversed, on reversing digit, on reversing digit, 10y plus x, ones place, digit at tens place comes at ones and ones place comes at tens place. So 10y plus x is equal to 7 greater than 2 times. So 2 times of original number, so or 2 times original number, 2 times of original number is 2 into 10x plus y, right? Plus 7, plus 7, right? This is given you. On reversing digit, 10y plus x is equal to 2 times of the original number, that is 10x plus y plus 7. Great. Now when we solve this, so it becomes 10y plus x is equal to 20x plus 2y, 20x plus 2y plus 7, right? Now we bring all these on the other side. If we bring all these on the other side, so it becomes 20x minus x plus 2y plus 2y minus 10y, right, plus 7 is equal to 0. I bring these all numbers on one side of equal. This, 20x is there, so this, when this plus x goes on the other side of equal, it turns to be minus. So it is minus x, and there is a plus 2y, so I write plus 2y, and I bring this my 10y on the other side of equal, it turns to be minus 10y, and plus 7 is there. So after 0, after equal, there is a 0. When we solve this, 20x minus x becomes 19x, and 10y minus 10y plus 2y is equal to minus 8y, minus 8y is equal to minus 7. I bring this 7 on the other side of equal. So this is our second equation, right? First equation is this, second equation is this. Get it? Okay, so what we can do is this. If I this we called equation number 2. This we called equation number 2. Right now we can write equation 1. We can write this equation 1 we can write this equation 1, bring this y on the other side of equal and 1 on the this side, so it becomes 3x plus 1, sorry, 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 is equal to y, right? And this we substitute in equation 2. This is the value of y, so substitute value of y in equation 2. Substitute value of y in equation 2. This is this. So 19x minus 8 bracket 3x minus 1, right? Y is equal to 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 7, right? So what happens? This is 19x and this minus 8, this 8 is multiplied by 3. We 8 times 3 times 8 is 24. So it is minus 24x minus minus plus, right? Minus minus plus. So plus 8 is equal to minus 7, right? It is minus 7. Now what you do, 24 minus 19 is 5. So it comes here minus 5, minus 5x, minus 5x plus 8 is equal to minus 7. You bring this 7 on this side, you know, you bring this 7 on this side, it turns to be plus, and you bring this minus 5 on this side, it turns to be plus, right? So then our equation will be, then equation formed is, you know, I bring this on this side. So we have 8 plus 7 is, is equal to 5x. So it is 15 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 15 by 5 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. When we put the value in here in y, so y is equal to, y is equal to 3x, minus 1. It means 3 into 3 minus 1, that is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8, right? Y is equal to 8, x is equal to 3. Now the number will be, this is our number, na? Original number, 10x plus y. Put the values of there, then the original number becomes, original number is 10x plus y. Y is 3. So 10 into 3 plus y is equal to 8 plus 8. So it becomes 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. So your number is 38, right? This is 38. This is the original number we found, 10x plus y. We put the values of x and y in this, and then we get 38. So our original number is 38. Okay, did you understand what I did? Yeah, yeah. If we cross check it, no, yeah, this type of question are little bit, long. You know, it is saying that 38, 38. When you inverse this 38, what happens? 38 inversed, then you get 83, and this 83 is 2 times 2 times of original number, 2 times of original number, that is 38 plus 7. So it becomes 2 8 just 16, 2 8 just 16, 1 2 3 6 1 7, 7 76 plus 7 becomes 83. Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. When we reverse that, 83, when we reverse that, when we get the original number. So our answer is correct. Your two-digit positive integer, positive number is 38. Right? This I checked. This I checked. So now, any other question you like to ask? This one, question is not so long. Actually, you told me the question. So first I wrote the question, then I gave you solution, then I gave you solution. That's why it seems to be long. Otherwise, it is not long. Can I rub this? I rub it and I do it again for you. What I did. No, it's not too. Acha, if you have another one, you told me that also. You told me that it is not so long. The way I did is it seems to be long. So are you telling? Now? Huh? Huh? Place 60 kilometer away. Yeah. Drove drove a car 36 kilometer per hour. Right. Okay. Then I walk 4 kilometer per hour. Walk with speed. Huh? Huh? It took 3 hours. Uh, 3 hours total. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Find distance. Find distance. Drove car and walk car and walk respectively. The question is like this, right? So total distance is, say there are 2 points. There are 2 points. This is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. And their total distance between them is, you know, 60 kilometers, you are saying, 60 kilometers, right? Suppose you drove a car, you drove a car, this is the car we have, and you drove it at the speed of 36 kilometer per hour, 36 kilometer per hour for X kilometer, for 36 kilometer per hour, right? Say, let distance by car, distance by car is equal to X. So X distance you traveled by car, right? This is X distance. So now remaining distance is 60 minus X, right? And that distance you traveled by walking. You walked with a speed of 4 kilometer per hour. 4 kilometer per hour. Fine. 60 total distance is 60 kilometer. X kilometers traveled with the speed of 36 kilometer per hour, right? And after that, 60 minus X kilometers traveled with the speed of 4 kilometer per hour, right? And the total time, and the total time is, total time, total time is equal to 3 hours. 3 hours. Fine. 3 hours. This is 3 hours. Right. Now, time taken to travel from here to here, that is T1. So T1 is, we have to find, as we know the formula, that speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Right? So T1 will be distance is X kilometers, and time and speed is 36 kilometer per hour. X distance is X kilometer. This is in kilometers, and speed is 36 kilometer per hour. Oh yeah. Sorry. Now this, should I write like this, that T1 is equal to distance traveled is X kilometers, and 36 speed is 36 kilometers per hour, right? So this kilometer is gone, H goes up, so T1 is equal to X upon 36 hours, right? Similarly, if we take T2 for walking, so distance is 60 minus X. 60 minus x, and he traveled with a speed of, this is 60 kilometer, 60 minus x kilometer, and speed is 4 kilometer per hour, right? So kilometer is, yeah, 4 kilometer per hour. You told me 4 kilometer per 3 is hour. It took 3 hours total. So this is, we have, so hour goes up, so T2 is equal to 60 minus x upon 4 hours, right? And as, so this is T1, this is T1, this is T2. So total time is equal to T1 plus T2. Total time is 3 hours, and T1 is x upon 36 plus T2 is 60 minus x upon 4, right? Now 3 is equal to, we will take LCM. LCM will be 36. 36 divided by 36, we get 1, and 1 into x becomes x. So there will be x plus 36 divided by 4 becomes 9. So this whole is divided by, sorry, multiplied by 9. So 60 minus x. Getting? But we get 1, right? When 36 divided by 4, we get 9. And 9 multiplied by 60 minus x, we get the value, right? So nice. Now what we do, this color is visible. I take 1 in denominator and then cross multiply. I might cross multiply this. When I cross multiply this, then you get x plus 9 bracket 60 minus x, right, is equal to 36 into 3, right? So x plus 6 nines are 54. So it is 540 minus 9x is equal to 3 6 are 18. We get 1, 3 3 are 1, and 3 3 are 9, and 1 10. This is 108, right? So what we do, this x minus 9x becomes, minus 8x is equal to 108. You bring this 108 on the other side and minus 8x on this side. So 540 minus 108 is equal to 8x, right? So 540 is 108. 4 is, we have taken one, carry 1 from here. Here is 3. So 10 minus 8 becomes 2, 3, 3, 432. 432, right? So 432 432 is equal to 8x, right? Or we can write x is equal to 432 upon 8. So 8 fives are 40, 8 fives are 8 fives are 40, or 8 fours are 32. So x is equal to 54 kilometers, right? So x is equal to 54 kilometer Dhruv car. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. So should I start? We get x is equal to 54 kilometer. That is drew distance drew by car. Yeah. Drew, distance covered by car. Right. Or we can say distance distance drew car. This is 54. Now distance walked is how much? Distance walked is equal to 60 minus x is equal to 60 minus 54 is equal to 6 kilometer. Getting? So distance walked is 6 kilometer. Right? So just to check it out, right? T1 is x upon 36. So this is for check, cross check, right? Distance to T1 is equal to, distance is 54, By drove by car 54 upon 36. So it becomes 18 threes are 3 times 18 is 54 and 3 and 2 times 18 is 36. So it becomes 3 by 2 hours, right? And distance walk T2 is equal to 6 kilometer, 6 kilometer upon 4. It is also 2 threes are 2 twos are. It becomes 3 by 2, right? So on adding on add on adding T1 plus T2, we get 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. We get 2 as a comma, 2 and 3 plus 2, sorry, 3 plus 3 becomes 6. So it is 6 by 2 is equal to 3 hours. So it is correct, right? We cross checked it also, what we have done.
Okay.
So what you want now? You know, you want you not. Should I explain you again what I did? You have another question. Okay. So we have. Should I run this? So what next? We come to measurement. Acha, you have one more question. Okay, thank you. Just wait. Okay, okay, no problem. So question number 3. What is that? 1 hour, 30 over 60. 1 hour 30 over 6, 30 over 60 is equal to 2. Like this, right? This is your thing. This is written here 1 hour 30 over 60. It means this is 1 by 2. So there will be one. There will be one. When we solve, but when we solve this, yes, yeah, one, yeah, dash over 2. There is a dash. Not like this. No, 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 like this. Okay, okay. It is hours. Okay. Oh, so this is 1 hour, 1 hour, and this will also 30 minutes, 30 upon 60 hours, right? So we can write it like this: one whole, one whole 30 upon 60, right? One way we can solve this: 30 1 ja 30, 30 2 ja 60. So 2 times 30 is 60. So we can write over here 1 whole 1 by 2, 2 into 1. Now we have 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2, we get 3 by 2 hours, right? This is the one way to solve this. Another way you can do, another way you can do, 1 whole 30 upon 60 hours. So we can write it like this: 60 into 1 becomes 60 into 1 plus 30 upon 60, right? Hours. So now we get 60 plus 30 upon 60. So we get 90 upon 60 hours, and 0 and 0 cancel. 3 2s are 3 3s are. We get 3 by 2 hours, right? Yeah. So these are the methods which we can solve. We can solve it directly also, we can do in this method also. Which seems to be good for you? Yes, what is next question? I wiped off. Right. What next? Question number 4. 4. I drew 100, 190 kilometers, huh, from A to C, right? By car. Okay. I drove 8:30. Okay. Uh, I I drove how many what you are having, speed or time, distance? Oh, drove 30 kilometer per hour. Fine. From A to B. Okay. A to B. Fine. Yeah. 80 kilometer from B to C. Right. It took 3 hours total. total, right? How long? A to B and B to C. Okay. So this is I drew 190 kilometers. In first one A to C it is given as distance. In A to B it is given as speed, and in B to C it is given as again distance, and the total time is 3 hours. This is correct. Okay. So A to C. You know there is a point A, right? There is point C, right? And there is point B. So from traveling here to from A to C he travels 190 kilometers. 190 kilometers. Okay, and then A to B. Uh, this is A to C, and this is A to B. It is traveling 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers, right? 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, and now B to C. This is it is coming from here. This is coming in this direction. It is coming from B to C. That is 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers. This is the question we have. One more thought process will be there, can be there, you know. Oh yeah, obviously, obviously. Sorry. So there are, 3 points on a straight line, like A, this is B, and this is C, right? So if it is moving from here to here, that is 190 kilometers, right? When it is moving directly from here to here, right? When car is moving directly from A to C, 180 kilometer. When when it is moving car, that is A to B, that is with the speed of 36 kilometer 30 kilometer per hour, 30 kilometer per hour, right? Okay, great. Okay, now what we can do, let distance distance between A to B A to B is equal to x, right? X kilometer per hour, and speed I drove car is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. So time taken T1 is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. So we have three. Distance is x and x kilometer, and speed is 30 kilometers per hour. So this kilometer cancel out. So T1 is equal to x upon 30 hours. Okay. Now, now, right. Total time is 3. Uh, 190 kilometers total distance. No, and then you gave me from 80 kilometer from B to C. So that is 80 kilometer per hour, whatever it is. Oh yeah, so 80 kilometer per hour, that is also speed. Done. It is 80 kilometer per hour. It's very fast. This is also 80 kilometers per hour. Fine. So now, if I said, as I said, let the distance between A to B is x, right? And this is total distance. Uh, so, and it is so remaining. Say remaining distance will be, so distance from distance from B to C is equal to 180 minus x kilometer, right? Distance from here to here, that is uh, 190 minus x kilometer, and time and speed is given. Speed is 80 kilometer per hour. So T2 is equal to 190 minus x kilometer upon 80 kilometers per hour. Kilometer gone. It becomes 190x upon 80 hour. Got it? This is T2. And as we know, total time is equal to T1 plus T2. Total time is 3 hours. So 3 is equal to x upon 30 right? Plus we have 190 minus x upon 80. Is it like that? Is it like this? The distance from B to C is 190 minus x. Speed is 80 km per hour. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So it is 190 minus x upon 80. So we get 190 minus x upon 80. And then, so to and T1 is x upon 30. So we add this T1 plus T2. The total time is 3 hours. So equation is like this. I hope you understand what I said. Great. Now, this is 240, right? 38 38. 8 times 30 is 240. So 8x plus 3 times 80 is 240. So it is 3 bracket 190 minus x. Is it? Now we again we do the same process for what we have done earlier in the p cross multiplying, right? So that will come 8x. This color is okay, which I'm using. Okay. So 8x plus, uh, you know, 19 threes are 57, 570, 570 plus is minus 3x is equal to 8x, then 3 is multiplied by 190 and 3 is multiplied by x, and then we get 240 into 3. This 8x minus 3x, 8x minus 3x is equal to, 0, 3 fours are 12, we get 1, right? 0, 3 fours are 12, we get 1, 3 2 is 6, 1 7. It's 720 minus 570. Getting? I bring this 570 on this side, and this is multiplied 240 multiplied 3 times 240 is becomes 720. Now we get 5x is equal to, uh, I need 720 and 570, 0, 6, 12, 5, 1, 150, right? So 150. Yeah. Done. So 5. So x we are getting 30, right? So distance between A to B, this distance from here to here is x, and that is equal to 30 kilometers. Answer 1, right? Here we mentioned x, sorry, I mentioned x kilometers, it means 30 kilometers, right? And in next, yeah, minus 570. My you know this 240 multiplied by 3, right? We get 720, and this is 8x plus 3 is multiplied by 190. So 19 times, sorry, 3 times 19 is 57, and 0 is there, so it is 570, right? 570, 570, right? Now this 3 is multiplied by minus x, so it becomes minus 3x, right? Now is equal to 240 into 3. Now 8x minus 3x is how much? 8x minus 3x becomes 5x, and 720 minus 570 is equal to 150. Yeah, 240 times 3. Yeah, no, it's 720, and subtracting 570. 3 times 19 is 570. No, 3 times 19 is 3, sorry. 3 times 19 is 570, and 190, so we take 10, that's why by 570. Yes, sorry, what I said. 3 times 19 is equal to 57, and there is a 0, so 0 will be added, so 570. 57 becomes 570. So this is what we have. Now you get x is equal to 30 kilometers. Great. Now, what is the distance between B to C? Right? A to B, we get a distance of 30 kilometers. Is it okay? Yes, that is the distance between A to B. And distance between B to C is, you know, 190 minus 30 is equal to 160 kilometers. Okay. This distance, it is this 160 kilometer distance, it is traveling with the speed of 680 kilometers per hour. So 160 upon 80 becomes 2 hours. So there is 3 hours total in journey. You understand, I hope? So we will assume, we will solve this question by that thought process that A, B, C are in a line, right? So this total distance, they are not saying total distance, they are saying total distance between A to C is 190. That is total distance between the 2 points. And between A and C there is a point B. And after that we will solve this. Right? Yes. So is it okay for today's class? Yeah. Metric system you need. Okay. Okay. Should I rub this?